Hello, and welcome to the DIY Expense Tracker, the simple and easy way for the small business person to do their own bookkeeping. Hi, my name is Lynn. I've been a professional bookkeeper for over 10 years. I own a professional bookkeeping firm, over 14 employees, and over 150 customers. In all of those years, I've seen many people frustrated at the amount of paper that a business can generate. I've also seen those same people frustrated at how costly it can be to get bookkeeping and a tax return done. So I invented the DIY Expense Tracker. Why? Simple. This takes minutes a day, it's simple and easy, and it eliminates costly bookkeeping fees. It empowers you to do your own books. It's made specifically for solopreneurs and small business owners. There's no complicated accounting software you can use, and it's exactly how your accountant wants the information for your taxes. Best of all, it's built for even the most unsavvy computer user. The DIY Expense Tracker has many features. It records your sales. It records your expenses and receipts. It tracks both Canadian and U.S. funds. It tracks your GST and HST, gives you some simple reports, and allows you to export the information for your accountant. But before we use the DIY Expense Tracker, let's talk about a few really important bookkeeping tips. So first of all, have you opened up a business account and a personal account? Do you have business bank statements and personal bank statements? If you haven't, you probably want to consult your bookkeeper or give us a call to talk about why you should do that. There's some really important reasons to make sure that you are keeping your business statements separate from your personal statements. But if you don't have them, and don't despair, because we can actually still use the program. Not a problem. Did you keep all your receipts? So the receipts are basically anything that you are given to say what you've purchased. There's a little bit of a catch, though. Some people think when you get the little chit slip from your debit or credit card that that's a receipt. It's not. The receipts that you need are actually the ones that are generated that show exactly what it is that you're buying. The debit and credit card little receipts that come out of the machine after you pay, they don't count. They're useful, especially for meals when you have tips involved, but they're actually not the real receipt. And why do we keep a receipts? Because we have to have write-offs. Do you know what a write-off is? So a write-off is basically any expense that you incur in order to do business or intend to do business. And I should really say, instead of doing business, make money or intend to make money. So a write-off, generally speaking, is an expense that you purchased. It can vary anywhere from an office supply to a job supply to the rental of an equipment to supplies that you purchased to a trip that you took. A write-off is really anything that generates a receipt showing that you spent some money. And it's really important that you keep those receipts. Put it this way. For every $100 in receipts you throw away or you lose, you might send $30 or more to the Canada Revenue Agency in taxes. That money is way better in your pocket rather than theirs. So before we use the DIY tracker, I want to talk about how you organize yourself. So I want you to look at your receipts, and on there, it will show how you paid your money. So did you use your debit card or your credit card, etc.? Sort your receipts by how you spend the money. Put them in piles of the how. You'll put all your debit receipts in one stack, all your credit card receipts in another stack, for example. If you have the statements, you're going to attach them to the statement. And that's basically to make sure that you have all of your receipts, that you're not missing anything. And now you're ready to enter them into the DIY Expense Tracker. So in the next video, we're going to show you how to get set up so you can get started. We'll see you soon.